how to set up a website with the ESP32. So I just want to say this first of all, is that this isn't like a regular website, as in that it, you could connect to it from the other side of the world. You have to actually be connected to the same internet connection. So let's just say you're using your phone to go onto the website. So your phone and the ESP32 both have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. If not, it doesn't work. Now, there is a way to make an actual website where you can go all over the world and connect to it once they both have an internet connection or Wi-Fi connection. But this video is kind of mainly looking at just the actual code for it, but also going to show you how to kind of add files and stuff. But the first thing you need to do anyways is go to projects and then go to import. Then you can type in demo and press enter, and demo-js, make sure you do demo-js, click on import, and then you can exit that. So then click on demo-js here, and then go to the drop down tab here and click on the fs\init.js, click on that, and then just click anywhere with this code, anywhere you want, and do Control A. Now this part doesn't actually apply to Macs. You don't actually have to do this with all the code, but I think it doesn't, so maybe do it just in case. But for Macs it's actually Command A, not Control A. For Windows it's Control A, for Macs it's Command A. So Control A and then Control C or Command C to copy it. So Control A highlights it all, Control C copies it. So then you want to actually save file, copy to device. So just copy all this, wait for it to actually connect. There we go. Now go to device files and go to, no, you won't have index 2 or MOS or test 2, test 3. You won't have those. They're just things I've added. You want to go to init.js. Make sure you don't go to fs\init.js. You want to go to init.js. So click on that and you will have different code. Now I've already done this, so I have the right code, but you'll have different code. So just click anywhere, Control A and Control V as in for volume, or Command V for Mac. And that'll paste what you've just copied earlier on the other file onto this. So now then press save and reboot, and hopefully, yep. Now your LED on your ESP32 will be flashing, a blue LED. So you also might notice down here there's tick tock down right here, and that, I don't know, it's just at the corner of my eye, that annoys me. So if you go to this line 25, print value, TikTok, uptime, whatever, blah blah blah, just completely get rid of that line. No, that'll just stop that. It just prints out this, and then just save and reboot, and that will stop to happen once it's finished rebooting. Yeah, so then you can clear logs and there'll be nothing, you don't have to do it. It's just in the corner of my eye, it kind of annoys me. Anyways, the next thing you want to do is then you want to go to projects and go to create new file. So you can call this file whatever you want. Call it blah or blah blah, for all I care. But make sure you put .html after. That's the file type. So HTML is normally used for doing a website, so we're going to be using that. So do whatever, as I did blah blah.html, but make sure you put .html after. Click OK, and then you can select it here, so blah blah.html. So now you want to get some code. You want to write some code here. So I'm going to go, I already have this code done. Test 3, this will work. Control C, Control V, and then I'm going to get rid of, one second, get rid of all of that, and get rid of this. So all you have to do is type this in. So, or actually, you don't even need that. Yeah, type this in. So pause the video, type it in. Okay, you're done. So, once you have this all typed in, this will basically pretty much actually make a website. So first thing you want to do is save file, copy to device, reboot device. Then, once that is done, go to device files, save and reboot, and then refresh list, and you'll have something blah blah.html. There you go. So now click on blah blah.html. So now we can actually we can really start to change it. That was just so that it would actually be on the ESP32. So now actually it would work if you went to see this up here. Now it'll be different for you, but if you went to, if I type in 192, yeah, okay. If I type in 192.168.0.52 / blah blah.html. So it's kind of long, but you can like copy it to a notepad or something that you can just really quickly access this, or just keep refreshing every time you want it. So now it's just powder blue. So then if I made a change, like I changed this just to blue, got rid of that, save and reboot. Now always make sure you save and reboot, because just saving won't do anything. You have to actually save and reboot. So we're done. Now you can just go over here, refresh, and we have blue now, or you can change it to red, but I mean, you get the point. So now this image source thing here is to put an image on screen. You might have guessed that. Go to images, look up. What should we look up? Squirrels. I like squirrels, so squirrels it is. Squirrels. That's not how you spell squirrels. It doesn't matter. Images. And I like this squirrel because it's a fat squirrel, and that looks very funny. Okay. Then you do right click the image and copy image address, and then go back to Mongoose, and right in between the two speech quotes, I don't know what they're called, just do Control V to paste the image address. So then you can save and reboot, and you will have a picture, well, you probably guess, a picture of a squirrel. There we go. Perfect. So now maybe you want to add some text or whatever. You can add text literally wherever. Once it's between the two, I'm pretty sure once it has to be between body, or at least between, well, let's find out. I love squirrels. There you go. Save and reboot. I'm pretty sure it has to be between body, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Let it all reload. There we go. Oh no, it doesn't. So you can pretty much, once it's between HTML. So you also notice that this is here. So that doesn't really look that good, you know. So you maybe you want to have it up in the top left up here. So we go back to our code, and you can do a thing that is called a break. So if you do, I'm actually just gonna, just so it looks kind of, to me, there might be reasons that you should actually put it in the in HTML, but I'm gonna put it in body, just because it kind of looks better for me. I just think it looks better anyways. Then you need to do angle brackets and then BOR. So it's called a break. And that will basically put all the rest of the code on the next line down. So it'll put the picture on the next line down. So then if we do this next thing, oh, okay, sorry, my bad. We need to put this Control C under here. I had a feeling we'd have to do that. I don't know why I wouldn't. I thought that it might not work, but we'll see now. I love squirrels. Wait for it to load up. Yeah, okay. Didn't. Okay, yeah. Okay. This is kind of awkward. This needs to be here because I'll tell you why. See the way that, see for the body, it doesn't actually close. The angle bracket doesn't close. The angle bracket actually closes over here. So if you put something in the middle, it'll be like, what's this? And it'll just use it as text. So that's why it says style equals background color blue. So what you actually have to do is make sure that you close the bracket and then put I love squirrels under it. So that's why. Save and reboot. I don't know if I already did that. Oh well. Come on. It's kind of annoying the way it takes a second to reboot, but you know, it's fine. reload, and it didn't work. Why? Did I save and reboot? That should work. I do not see what's wrong with that, like, at all. What? Okay, let's just Control Z, or Command Z, I'm pretty sure, for Mac. Just completely go back to when we didn't have I Love Squirrels. Yeah, just nobody likes you. Okay, no. How do you go forward? Control Y? Yeah. Okay, so if we do save and reboot, I don't know why that wasn't working. Kind of weird. Okay, if this works, then, or if this, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so this works. So then if we type in code I love squirrels, and then we'll do a break. Maybe the break, there's something wrong with the break. Oh god, that probably sounded very bad. I just hit my microphone. Okay, save and reboot. Hopefully it'll work, I don't know. Maybe, okay. Yay, it worked. Okay, so that's pretty much simple kind of HTML. You can do loads of different things, like you can actually make the background a picture, I think. Let me try that actually. I'm going to look up. And also another way, like if you don't know how to do something, just Google it, like background picture, background picture. Oh, HTML. I always like put in the language you're using, so HTML is what we're doing. HTML images, this one. Background equals, oh, that's so it's just the exact same, isn't it? Background, yeah, it is. Okay, so you just put so let's look up goats. I like goats. Goats images. The best goat we can find. I like these two. This is pretty cool. Copy image address. Control V. Oh no, we don't need enter. Save and reboot, and hopefully this should work. Also, the way to know like if it's finished rebooting, there's a loading thing here. When that's gone, it's finished rebooting. So there we go. And that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Feel like that should. Oh, actually, yeah, no, it is different, isn't it? Background. Okay, yeah. So instead of style, it's background. That would be why. Okay, save and reboot. Yeah, so up here there's a loading sign. So just wait till that's finished, and then you'll know if it's done. Yeah. Okay, so can't really see it because it's a picture of the squirrel, but I'm pretty sure you look it up. You can like resize it and stuff, but yeah, that's good, I guess. Yeah, so that's how you kind of do. So you can go to your phone now and type in, once you're both connected, once the ESP32 and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi, go to 192, well, whatever it is for you, / whatever you named .html, and you are done. You can look at your website. So yeah, I hope you found this useful, and I'll have some more videos on more stuff soon, probably, maybe, I don't know. See ya.